niguo kuhuthia murigo uria ugumeire thirikari nene wa kung'ethanira na COVID-19 iria riu ingirite matura-ini. Thirikari cia matura no nginyagia ciambiririe kuhe mweke wa mbere mubango wa kung'ethanira na COVID-19 na njira ya kugitira atungati a arwaru aria makoretwo muhari-ini wa mbere hari mbara eno.
We must reduce the amount of money we are spending in per diems for county assembly. Kidogo tupatie hawa. These are the people we need to do. If we don't do that, Bwana Speaker, if we do not do that, this country we will perish. We don't have enough facilities. These are the only people who can help us. The same way soldiers help us. You saw how the soldiers moved to Somalia when we had an issue. These are our soldiers and they are the soldiers in our community.
Marigitari kaunti ya Trans Nzoia ni matugetwo na indo cia kwirigiriria riria mararigita arwaru thibitari-ini cia kaunti ino. Itemi iria o Mukenya kwigitira na njira ya kurumirira mawatho maria magathikitwo ni Ministry ya Ugima wa Mwiri magithie na mbere na gwikirirwo niguo kuhuthiria murigo ruhonge rwa urigiti ruria rugumeirwo ni nditi kumana na kuongerereka kwa arwaru bururi-ini.
COVID doesn't have a head, it doesn't have a tail. It's not visible. In fact, it has caused some Kenyans to start questioning, hii kitu mnatuambia iko wapi? It's like they want to see it, but it cannot be seen. So I've been asking, wanataka wajione, wamelazwa ndio wajue hii kitu iko? Ama wazike jamii yao ndio wajue iko? Ama wanataka namna gani? Some guys are waiting to see it. They will never see it.
Never before, I believe, in the history of our country, have I seen government come together nationally and at county level to respond to a pandemic the way we have done.
Bururi ukoretwo ukiandikithia kuongerereka kwa arwaru a COVID-19 o muthenya haho wa kuonja kwa uhoti wa kurigita arwaru aya guku bururi-ini uking'ethera thirikari o riri thirikari cia matura ikoretwo mehariria-ini ma kwamukira arwaru aya matura-ini. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Ani Ngigi wa Nyamu.